Hello students, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on Unacademy 123. Today we will discuss how to make the password logic. Okay, so this is my Notepad++. You can use any editor and also terminal ideally and PyCharm and whatever you like, because I am using here for simplicity Notepad++. So first of all I am typing here nothing but just I am taking the print. Okay, and inside I will do I am Python. Okay, and this is nothing but just to save it. How to do that? Go to the file and save as, and here you can say nothing but Unacademy 123. okay, already this file are exist, so 45.py. okay, .py extension why I am using, because this is the Python file. okay, and just to save it, then yes, okay, this is the Python file, so it's working or not, it's fine. okay, and here just take the username, whatever username you can. This is the variable I am creating, variable and variable name, and inside the variable my username is Shyam. okay, and again I am creating password. This is the another variable, and password is nothing but for an example 1 2 3 4 5 my password. okay, for an example. okay, and here now then take and just simple take the user input. okay, or user entry, simple, it is the another variable, and simple take, it's a nothing but string. And how to take the input, and input ask from user, enter your username, nothing but. okay, and on the behalf of your question, your user entry, ent, okay, whatever user input, its best name. okay, user input. okay, and just control D and user input, and here user input you can another name pass, and user input input name. okay, for the simplicity, user input name. okay, this two variable. okay, and now the save user input name, and here, and the value will entered by user that will stored in it, and already you have given that value in username. So in that case what will you, we will use the logic. yes, what if here username, just copy it, and here username paste it, and inside the bracket if username and what username equal to what the username user entered. okay, if it is correct, okay, then close and just use the AND operator. So if both are correct, then password what exactly saved each must be matched with what exactly user enter, and just copy it and just paste it. okay, and if the both condition is true, if the both return will 1, that implies that it's true, and AND operator is also written true, then what will happen, nothing but our if operator is equal to you can write here true, also true. Then what will you write here, you will write here indentation is the bracket in other in other language, and here what will you go here, you are logged in successfully. okay, and if your logic is failed in the else condition, anyone is wrong, there is the two indentation, what will the screen will exactly display, your username. Now username, welcome on Unacademy platform, and here Karnataka CET champion batch is welcoming you, and here the champion batch for CET 2021, and In this batch you will find the proper preparation of platform. You will find for champion batch only for PCM group, physics chemistry maths group, you can find it. And here the 3 expert will maximize your score if you follow the proper strategy what exactly Unacademy told you, waiting for you. And here Karnataka common interest test for PCB, physics chemistry, and for this batch, then definitely your score will multiply. And this is the trusted platform and here Unacademy platform you will find the plus courses. And if you are plus subscriber, then what will you get? You will get this amazing support, premium content at affordable price, okay, structured live classes, access you have also got from that platform, okay. And under the plus subscription you can use the eAcademy 123 code. This code will help you. And this is the so find the KCET 2021 aspirants at 12-month plan you can find on this minimum affordable price, okay. And for 6 months also you can find. Whenever you start you will got everything full of what Unacademy want to do, okay. So it is you can also use this code eAcademy 123, and here you will find the also and detailed explanation in each topic and each comprehensive understanding and complete syllabus coverage, okay. So what is it is the only monthly trial starting from this affordable price, and you can also use this eAcademy 123 course, and it is already starting from 14th of October. So you can now enroll, and password is incorrect, okay, username and password incorrect. So if anyone of them is wrong, okay, so your username is Shyam, and if you enter the same name then you will unlock, otherwise you will not. Here enter your password okay, and just go to the file and save. And how to run that program? Go to the run, and here go to the CMD and enter command prompt. So cd backslash, what does it mean? It is you are navigating on the C drive, change directory stand for cd, or first of all you can go there where it is the saved. It is the saved in XAMPP location. Whatever you want to you can save. You can also save on the desktop, but here I am saving here, so that's why. Or you, if you are want to just let's remove it, and you can change save as, and it is the same name. Go to your desktop, okay, and it will save on the desktop. And again go to the run command, run, and it is type CMD already. So I am going to where cd backslash, and here change directory, and here you will write the users, okay, and again cd, what is your Shyam Bhatia, okay, yes, and again change directory desktop, okay. And if you type extra cls clear screen, and nothing but here you will find what is our Python script name, eacademy12345.py. and if you hit enter, then if there is no error, then I am Python, that is the first output, and enter your username. So I am entering wrong, okay, and enter your password. Again I am entering password is let's say correct, okay, and if you enter, then your username and password is incorrect, okay. So what will I do here? Again I am running this script, okay, and here I am using the correct Shyam, and password is 12345, okay, correct. Yes, you are logged in successfully. Yes, so this script is working properly. How to do that? And if you anyone do anything, then it is the main logic here. So so I have shared this video for you, and if you have something doubt about it, then just share me what we have exactly doubt on it. And other you can say you can also take it user defined password and username. So if you are interested, then just comment me. I will show how to save your choiced password, and that password will compare to. So it will do in a next video. So this video is up to the, okay, we will meet soon again in next video. Thank you, bye bye.